Hey everybody, welcome back to KK's channel. It is not GK's channel anymore, it is KK's channel. Today I am doing a slime collection thingy with y'all. So I'm gonna do best for last. So alright, I'm gonna get some over here. I'm gonna move this bowl. Alright, I'm just gonna pick a random one, look. Okay. Ooh, so I got this blue ball. So I like the blue slime. It's really purple slime on the camera. Ooh, that looks cool. Hi. On the camera, it looks pretty black. It is actually purple. It's like a crunchy slime. There's like beads in it, so. Okay, now let's stretch it. Let's do, stop this. Alright, so, I forgot what this slime was called. Right, this slime is called Nightmare. I made this slime. In fact, I made all these slimes except 2. So, yeah. Okay. So, I just heard a burp in the background. That was disgusting. It was a big burp. No. Alright. Nut slime. Oh. Huh. I touched something else. I touched another phone. Okay. Oh, I got this one that I made. Oh yeah, I made the blue one too that I just put up. That hurt. Okay, so I have this one I also made. It's another purple slime. It's the slime I know. It keeps getting stuck to the LOL doll bottles. The LOL. Oh, it dried up right there. That's disgusting. This one isn't that good of a slime. It got in my, like my cat. Seriously tried to lay on it. He didn't lay on it completely, so there's a little bit of fur in it. But, yeah. Oh, did I mention my cat named Logan is right here. The reason why I named him Logan is, if you can see right here, he has a paw. I named him Logan from the movie Wolverine. Go. Alright. Yes, his name is actually... Okay, so somebody said on my channel before, hey, I think you should call him Mr. KK sometimes. So I'm gonna be calling him Mr. KK sometimes, just so you know. Not all the time. Most of the time I'm not. This one, wait, is this one right here? No, this one isn't Nightmare. Would you stop? Okay. Let's see how far this one can stretch. This one, I think the Nightmare was better. This one bounces. It's like rubbery slime. That's pretty good. Let's poke it. Up. Alright. Let's go to the next slime. Alright, let's close my eyes. Okay. Yay! I actually love this one. Oh no, the worst is coming in a couple seconds. Mama, don't talk. I'm making a YouTube video. Okay. So this one, I named it Violet. Because I got stuck to the lid again. Seriously, every time I find this slime, it's always tumbed over and it's all over. It's like a really crunchy slime. I made this slime with no glue. No glue. I used, I forgot what it's called, but, it was like paint. No. It was kind of like glue. It was kind. Mama! I'm making a YouTube video. Dip. Okay. Okay. And I also put rice in it. I'm making a YouTube video. Okay. So this one I have rice in it. Hi, Mama. This one I have rice in it. It's like really crunchy. It never dries up. It's a really good slime. It doesn't make it poking. It doesn't make a poking sound that much. Listen. It doesn't make a poking sound that much. No, it doesn't.
You want tacos now?
Yes! Making it to better. Like, look at this stretch. Look how far it stretches. It could have still been stretching, but it's stretching too hard. Let's get back over here.
Not more like this though.
Mama, don't say any kind of words. Mama!
What?
I told you I was making.
I got to speak.
I'm making a YouTube video.
I'll give him right.
I'm making a YouTube video. Sorry, guys. I don't know how to edit that out. I'm a stupid YouTuber. Okay, next time. This video has already been 7 minutes. Okay, next. Dang it, it's on 15. Okay. So, next slime. This is a terrible slime. It must have got melted while I was at school. It's like all wet and sticky. It used to be like awesome slime. This is a store-bought slime. Oh my gosh! I really don't want to touch this, guys. Okay, guys, I don't think I can do it. Okay, I know what I'm gonna use. So, I'm gonna use these. Chop. It's like all wet. Look, guys, look at this. Okay, I'm digging in. I'm washing my hands. I can't. Okay. It's not as wet. Okay, this is better. It's not as bad as it was. It's not as bad as it was. It's like this clear blue slime. It won't stretch at all. It never would. Okay, guys, look how bad this is. Like, seriously. It looks like a curve. Last. Logan, stop trying to look at me playing with slime. You're not eating it. Okay. Ready? 3 pounds of slime. It's actually 2 pounds of slime. It says 3 pounds. I accidentally messed up. No, it's 1 pound now. Mama, my slime is 1 pound.
Probably.
Shush!
You can't talk to me and me not talk back.
Hold on, guys. Okay, I'm ready. This looks brown on camera. Oh my gosh, it looks so ugly on camera. But it's actually pink slime. Okay, let's make a slime swirl. Let's make another one. I just love making slime swirls with this slime. Guys, listen how loud the poke is. Oh yeah. Ah! Okay, guys, look how satisfying this is. That was the last slime. I'm sorry, guys. I love slime. Okay. So I'm gonna count how much slimes that was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was 5 slime. So I'm gonna get more slime soon. I'm gonna be having a slime factory night, so I'm gonna video that. Mama, can I make a YouTube video of slime factory night?
No, I don't want to do that.
I won't show you. Please.
Think about it.
Yeah, so I might have a slime factory night video. So I'm super excited. And then I will have more slime tutorials. Where's my other slime? I want to show them that. It's gone. Okay. It's already thrown away. It's like, it's disgusting because I go back from school and it's like the perfect slime. We named it unicorn slime. And somehow there was blue water all around the bag. That was disgusting. So I don't even get how, because I had no blue in my slime. It was all white slime. It looked pink, but it was white. Anyways, guys, bye.